Good morning, kid. How are you this morning? I hope you are fine, you are okay, you are awesome. Well, today we will study still about elementary HTML1. Our learning objective, horizontal role tags, comment tags, and inserting image. Okay, kid, now we continue. Okay, you can see this horizontal role tags. The HR tag used to create a horizontal role or a line on your HTML document. It is for the example yesterday. Yeah, this is the example. HTML body h1. This is an example of the horizontal line. BR. We continue. Later we can practice directly in Microsoft in Notepad. Sorry, Notepad. And the next, comment text. Comment text is a container text which is used to insert comment in HTML code that uses. For example, you can see this also. Yeah, this is the example of the comment text. Later we see in browser. You can practice directly. Now we go to inserting image. Yeah. Okay, this is inserting image, but later have here the box alt, ya. Sorry, image cannot be displayed. Ya, mohon maaf, gambar tidak bisa ditampilkan. Itu alternatif ya, Kid. Gambar tidak bisa ditampilkan. Okay, now we practice directly. I open Notepad. Click this one. You can see this Notepad. Okay, first just now we study about one horizontal role. Copy this ya, Kid. Oke, supaya nggak capek mengetik lagi, we copy. Ya, then right click and copy. You click this one. Ya, notepadnya diklik. Oke, and we paste. You can see this, and we save, student. Save first. Ya, by the name aja HR HTML. Forget to make it. Okay, save in this one. Integrity 2020 HTML web page. I save here. Okay, now we open in Windows Explorer. Ya, integrity. You can see HTML. Kita cari yang mana? Okay, HR. This. Yeah, this one. HR ya, Kid. We click. Yeah, this one. Ini contoh hasilnya, Kid. This is an example of horizontal line. Okay, we see the bookmarknya. Kita tadi lihat ininya. Okay, this is the example of horizontal line. You can see this ya, Kid. Ya. Horizontal line itu 4 widthnya. This is ya, dan 50%. One line center ya, Kid. Ya, kita lihat ini di center. Ya, di sini. Look at this. Ya, in here. Ini center. Okay, now we continue the next. Yeah, this is make new. Okay, the next Next is comment text. You can see this comment text. Yeah, we block this one. Copy, right click and copy, and copy, right click, and we paste here, right click, paste. Okay, and then we save. Ya, ini comment tag ya, kita simpan, save as comment HTML. Don't forget, ya, you must remember, kita simpan di sini HTML web page. Okay, now we open. If you want to open, you must click this Explorer and you search for comment. What is comment here? Have or not? Yeah, this one. Ya, look at this thing. Ini hasilnya. Ya, komennya this is to draw a horizontal line. Ya, we see just now in here. Ya, komennya this is to draw a horizontal line. Jadi kalau buat komen like that like it. Okay, now we erase the last to insert the picture. The student, we pick this one, inserting image. Yeah, we block first. Right click, copy, and we put here the notepad. Is, yeah, look at this. Now we save as. Yeah, kita buat insert HTML. Okay, save. Now we try open again. Windows Explorer again, this one. Don't forget, ya student, this one. Yeah. Click and then insert. Now look at this. Ini hasilnya kita. Have box sorry. Nah, di sini ada alternatifnya kita. Look at this. Ya, alternatif. Ya, this is sorry, image cannot be displayed. But if you want to show your picture or image, ya, kita harus posisikan image kita dulu, gambar yang mau kita munculkan. Example, ya ini temboknya kita, tembok. Jadi kita mau buat munculkan gambar tembok ini di website kita. Caranya, okay, you can see here, ya, image search kita. The name is tembok ya, tadi kita buat tembok, okay, as set HTML ya, kita simpan dengan HTML set 1. Okay, coba kita open ini set ini. Okay, look at this, already have temboknya, right? Jadi kalau mau dimunculkan tembok sinanya di sini boleh. Okay, student, I think enough for today, our lesson. I hope you can understand about our lesson today. It is inserting image and comment text, and also about the horizontal scroll. Okay, student, nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye.